What's going on, guys? Firewolf Tech here, showing you guys the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. We're gonna go ahead and open this up and show you guys all the rounds. I got this a few days early, so I'm pretty excited to see what this looks like. And I just did the unboxing of the S24, so if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys check that out. Now I picked this up in the Onyx Black. Alright guys, there we have it. We have the Onyx Black S24 Plus. And you'll notice that it's not a very dark black. It's more of a lighter grayish black. Which, again, I don't know how you guys feel about it. I would have preferred a nice matte black. But this is basically what they're giving us here. So let's go ahead and peel this off. It's always super satisfying. So let's take a look around the phone here. Let's see a nice thin body frame. Look at the bottom here. You got a Type-C port, some speaker, microphone, and this is where your SIM card is going to be housed. And overall, it is definitely a beautiful phone, very similar to last year's model. Now, if you ever open one of these, if you want to know where your accessories are at, they're actually laying on top over here, so sometimes it's really hard to miss. All right, first thing you're going to notice is a nice quick start guide. You're going to get a standard USB-C to USB-C cable. And finally, a SIM ejector tool. And that's pretty much it. There's no power adapter here at all. So I will link one down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and power this on. All right, we're greeted to a nice welcome screen. You can go ahead and click start. And then a couple of terms and conditions that you are going to have to accept, except for this one. This one's completely optional. This is where you would easily transfer your information from your older Android or Galaxy or even your iPhone or iPad, which is really cool and very efficient. Now this is where you would choose your Wi-Fi network, so I'm going to go ahead and set that up real quick. You can see one side connected to Wi-Fi, we have a little 6 indicator. I don't know if you can see that, which is really nice. And here you would connect to your mobile network. You would put in either your SIM card or you can use an electronic SIM. We're going to go ahead and set that up later. And here's another reminder to transfer your information. We're going to hit don't copy. And here's where you would sign into your Google account. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. All right, and after you sign into your Gmail account, it gives you more customization option of how you want the Google services to behave on your phone. So make sure you guys read into that and accept whichever ones you want to accept. Next thing is to set up a lock screen here. So you have different options here. You have face recognition, you have fingerprints, you have a PIN, a longer password, and you can even do a pattern. Then you have questions about, hey, Google. But I honestly don't use this, so I don't really need that. And this is where you would sign in or create your own Samsung account, and you can utilize this to back up all of your information, or you can use other Samsung services that do require a Samsung account, but we're gonna go ahead and skip that as well. Then we have some more legal information from Samsung, which you can accept. And then finally, you can choose your display. We have between the light and the dark. We're gonna go ahead with the dark. And that's it, we're all set up. And now we have the front screen of the phone here. Let's go ahead and increase the brightness here. And overall, I'm loving the quality of this display. Now looking through the specs here, we're going to have a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, which is going to be a Quad HD+. It's going to have an edge screen with adaptive refresh rates all the way up to 120 Hz and an outdoor peak brightness of 2600 nits. The battery on this S24 Plus is going to be a 4900 milliamp battery, which is really good. And then for storage, we have two options. We have either 256 gigabytes or a 512 gigabyte configuration. And built into the phone, we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is made specifically for the Galaxy. And then for RAM, we have 12 gigabytes of memory. And for the camera specs on the back, we have 3 cameras. The first one being a 50 megapixel wide camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and a 30x space zoom. And the front facing camera is going to be a nice 12 megapixel camera. Overall, I think the phone looks really nice. However, I would have preferred to have a nice darker black color. And unfortunately, this is the only black color that they have. So let me know what you guys think of the Onyx Black. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I will be unboxing the S24 Ultra in a later video. So make sure you guys stay subscribed. Firewolf out.